In this video, we're going to go over scientific notation. This notation is used to express really big or small numbers in a simplified way. Numbers in scientific notation take the form a times 10 to the b, where a is a decimal between 1 and 10, and b is an integer. So let's do the first example. We want to express 10,200,000 in scientific notation. Your first step is to locate where the decimal point is. In this case, the decimal is way on the right side. Now step 2 would be to move the decimal so that you have a number between 1 and 10. We want our decimal point to be right about here, so that there is only one number to the left of the decimal point. Now, to shift the decimal place from here to here though, we have to shift it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times to the left. Our b value will be the number of times we shifted the decimal place. In this case, it's 7. So our final answer will be 1.02 times 10 to the 7. This 10 to the 7 here just means that we're moving the decimal point 7 places to the right. We'll see what happens when we shift the decimal point to the left. Next example. We want to express 3,490 in scientific notation. First, let's count how many times we have to shift the decimal place. 1, 2, 3. So we're left with 3.49 times 10 to the 3. Next example. Now let's express a small number in scientific notation. In this case, we're going to want to shift the decimal point to the right in order to get a number on the left. For this number, we'll only have to shift it once to the right. Whenever we shift the decimal place to the right, our b value becomes negative. So our final answer will be 2.2 times 10 to the negative 1, because we shifted our decimal place once and to the right. Another way to think about this is that whenever you're dealing with a big number, b will be positive. If you're converting a small number, b will be negative. Let's do the next examples. I'd pause the video and try them yourself first. Here we go. So our next number is 0.009. So we have to shift the decimal 3 times to the right. That gives us 9 times 10 to the negative 3. Now our last number is, whoa, this is big, 345 billion. That's about as much as my word count for my physics lab. Anyways, let's count how many times we have to shift our decimal point. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 11 times to the left. So our final answer will be 3.45 times 10 to the 11.